Hi my friend, nice to see you again. This is the ZLCONN HDD Machine, your professional HDD machine manufacturer. Today, we'd like to introduce our 38-ton HDD machine to you. Let us go to operation the ZLCONN HDD Machine. Down the boot. Enter the cabinet and turn on the engine. Turn on the semi-auto rod feeder. The optional drill pipe diameter is 73 or 76 mm and the length is 4,500 or 3,000 mm. Hard drilling. Max torque 16,000 Nm. Max swing speed 150 rpm per minute. Drilling angle 10 to 20. Push-pull type rack pinion. Max drill pipe diameter 1,200 mm. Max working distance 500 meters. Down the boot. Directional wire remote controller. Strong rack and pinion. Speed 25 to 40 kilometers per hour. Seal. Seal track fit on any ground edition. My friend, this is our 38-ton HDD machine. Hope you like this machine. Console 3X0 HDD machine. You deserve to have it. Thanks.